What's going on, guys? Johnny with Blaze of Grass Lawn Care. I'm at one of my commercial accounts and I've decided to go ahead and kind of just film this while I was doing my work. And this video is designed for the brand new guy coming into the lawn care industry. I know most of you guys that are seasoned into the lawn care industry are gonna have a whole bunch of say so and this and that and whatever. This is the basics, okay? The basics for how to land a commercial account. So most lawn guys are out here chasing residential all day. You're doing the $50, $60 cut, and that's, you know, one time per cut, whatever the case might be. But one commercial account can be worth $500, $1,000 to even $2,000 or more per month, okay, on a single contract. So today I'm breaking down exactly how I go and get commercial accounts. Now this is the bare basic. It will change depending on your location, so on and so forth. So I'm going to talk to you guys about what to say, how to price it, on how to actually win the bid. Okay, so who are you targeting as far as commercial accounts? First, you need to know what you're hunting. Commercial break down into a few categories. You have the retail strip mall, right, which is you know, your predictable high visibility account. You have your office parks, which is usually managed by a property manager. You have your apartment complex. It's a big recurring contract. You have your HOAs, and I'll be honest, can be political, but they pay well. And you have the churches, often overlooked, very loyal customers. Now you have other ones, but I'm not talking about other one, right? Each one have a different decision maker, so you have to know who you're talking to before you walk in the door. So how to find the decision maker for these properties? The biggest mistake I see in handling is you giving out your card to whoever answers the phone, right? Nah, man, that's not the person who signs the checks. For a strip mall and an office park, look up the property manager company, and it's usually on the sign out front, or you can find it on Google. For an apartment complex, call and ask for the property manager, not maintenance. For HOA, attend the board meeting or look up the HOA online. How do you find the board meeting? Ask somebody who lives in the location. Apparently you work there, right? So it should be pretty easy. And they have public records. Once you find the right person, your job is simple. Get a meeting. Don't try to sell it on the phone. That's what a lot of people do. Nah, it's not about the phone. You meet person to person and just say, I'd love to come take a look at the property and put together a proposal for you. That's it. Don't go into nothing else, not what you do, how you do it, none of that. That is it. I'd love to come take a look at your property and put together a proposal for you. Okay. Now, the walkthrough and proposal stage, right? When you walk the property, don't just look at the grass. Look at everything. The edging, the mulch bed, the parking lot blowout, trash pickup, the irrigation heads, seasonal cleanups. Look at the trees. Make sure that there are deciduous trees or non-deciduous trees. Deciduous meaning that they drop leaves in the winter. Every one of these is a line item, okay? And here's what separates the pros from the guy who lowball himself. Don't give a verbal price on the spot. Take your measurements, go home, build a proper proposal. Okay, your proposal should have the scope of work. That means that what's included and what's not. The amount of times you're going to visit the property, the price per visit, and the contract length, which is a year or 6 months, whatever the case might be. A professional proposal alone will set you apart from 80% of your competition. So let's talk pricing, because you don't want to price your commercial like a residential, right? Because you don't want to leave money on the table. Now, figure out your hourly cost of operation, your crew wages, your equipment, your fuel, your insurance, your overhead, then add your profit margin on top. I target at least 50% gross margin on all my commercial work. Also, commercial properties expect professional price. If you come in too cheap, they'll question your reliability or your quality. All right? I've actually lost bids because I was too low. You need to price with confidence, okay? And always, I mean always, get it in writing. A signed contract protects you, and it signals to them that you run a real business. Now, your follow-up. Most commercial deals don't close on the first contact. Okay, I'm gonna let you know right now. Property managers are busy. They have 10 vendors hitting them up. So follow up, send a quick email 3 to 4 days after you send your proposal. Call a week after that, and be professional, not pushy. Something like, hey, I just wanted to make sure that you received my proposal and see if you had any questions. Okay? You have to persist without being annoying. That's the move. Most of the commercial accounts came on, like the second or third follow-up, but they never came in on the first one. I'm telling you. Listen, commercial accounts are how you stop trading time for money and start building a real lawn care business. One account can replace 20 residential yards. So go get the decision maker, walk the property, price it right and with confidence, and follow up. Guys, let me know if this video helped you. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave them in the comment section. Please like, follow, share, all of that good stuff. See you on the next one. Pop smoke. Peace.